this is a very first impression of the CTR from CTactical. So CTR, I guess, is Chilean tactical roll top maybe. And yeah, it does look a lot like the Wanderer by Philippe Rubach, which I have and I love. But price point is different. I'm going to treat this as a different bag. This is Ultra, I think 200 silver material, stretchy pocket, which I love. AquaGuard zippers. Little details like the zipper pulls are loops, so you can potentially attach other things, additional webbing at the bottom. Let's check out the front first. So it's got zipper garage, which is kind of nice. And the interior pocket, let's show you here, is large. It goes all the way to the bottom. And it has a little bit of organization, basically 1/2 pocket and then 1, 2, 3 smaller pocket. So, and a key leash as well. Close this up. And one thing that it's great about this design is even though it's a roll top, there is a quick access pocket. So here, this has a pretty sizable pocket. It's some kind of stretchy material. It's soft, but not like fleece. So that is that. And there is a side entry zipper here that gets into the laptop pocket part of the interior. So you can basically get the laptop in and out from the side as well, which I love because otherwise you have to undo the roll top. Water bottle pockets is the current design, which is zippered with a little bit of, actually not very stretchy material, a little bit of stretchy material. So when you're not in use, you can zipper this down. I actually don't like this design because the zipper, the pull part of it, gets into the way on this side with potentially getting caught in the zipper here. So I actually don't mind having water bottle pocket that shows or takes up a little bit of volume. The main compartment. So let's open this up. I have the orange 420D ripstock. Looks really good. Love this internal stretchy pockets, both for water bottle and other things. This is the laptop compartment. Actually, this is not. Let me see. The laptop compartment is, yeah, it is. The laptop compartment is here. And then there is a device pocket that hopefully will fit an iPad Pro. A little bit of extra stretchy. Interesting that they're not the same size, the same width. I'm not sure it's by design, but Apple Pencil will fit in there. And then padded bottom. I like these side entry pockets because you can have this guy on the side, kind of swing over, and then you can use these pockets, or use this access anyway, to get into the area down in the middle. This is one big pocket. It'll be interesting if they actually divide this up. And then a little front admin pocket for, again, top access, which is great. Let's check out the roll top. I'm not a fan of roll tops, so I don't usually open the roll top unless I have to expand the volume. Even the same with my Wanderer. But let's see. So these are fit lock, I believe, and then rolls open. Oh, the magnets here. This is kind of cool. So magnet holds it closed. Extra webbing, give it some structure, and then you have another. Let's put it this way. Quite a bit more volume, right? So this, you can roll it down one time, and then adjust the strap so that it will strap down. But this is Ultra 200, which is important. I don't think. So I have to double confirm that whether this is Ultra 200 and 400, but this is soft enough that the rolling part is not too hard, which is great. And I got to find the webbing right here. And that's interesting that there is a little bit of webbing here that I guess I can attach other item as well. Simple back panel. I like this back panel in general. It's very, very nice with a channel in the middle, and then there is a luggage pass-through, useful for travel. And I think that's it, the quick look. The CTR, really a great bag, affordable relatively speaking, and it is going to be extremely useful for everyday carry as well as travel.